almost evidence ni nyina na say evidence no and sheda ni stance bi ana say enhold dia na say Abu Trica no case no enye case judge no kwa betumi abo asem na yeden ato agu. What's up everyone, this your boy BG and this is volume 5 TV. Abu Trica insem semna na yasan basu biom enra okopie mu ewo court. Now okopie mu court no, which is the first pre-trial proceedings no, okopie mu no na say pre-trial no evidence bebre na akra o dem yes starting to say bebre amafo bebre na ante pre-trials na yeden ase na pre-trials na ye kan nyina eye say eye evidence any ye ba be go through so as I say afa Abu Trica lawyer the evidence back in the defense ebeba na almost prosecute Abu Trica no so almost the evidence ayeden aba out into pre-trials no they will go through this evidence so as I say na ya label ni nyina de eye relevant any de enye relevant ye be hear from de eye relevant ye be keep de enye relevant ye be hear from because already na court no aba out abeka say the case no eye complex into ya say complex and say eye complicated into they need to look through this evidence. So as I say, also mo share evidence ni nyina no mu hu say okay, we relevant, we nya relevant, we be keep, we yen keep, we ena e holdi, we en holdi. So as I say, into no ombehwe sa evidence ni nyina no mu nyina aba into conclusion. Say ebubo Abu Trica, ye be man akọ for plea deal. So as I say, na plea deal no sani esi kan no wa kyerɛkyerɛ ekwan a omo fa so na say unya akọ for plea deal na say wagye atum say ade no waye. So what I say, but say almost evidence ni nyina na say evidence no and sheda ni stance bi ana say enhold dia na say Abu Trica no case no enye case judge no kwa betumi abo asem na yeden ato agu ana say obetumi aka say omonko find concrete evidence against him and san no mayeden o ma start trials ne into trials ne de ye kwa na say yen kwoche wo asem ne so because already I pre trials ehu case no ne fare by senior esitie say Abu Trica edi for anaso odi bem o medical hu ni nyina e wo pre trials no ansa kra no mo ba for trials no enti pre trials aye kan nyina no na se kire de eno no na enra no omko pie mu wo court no na say Abu Trica lawyer ni new lawyer na wafa no e presenting the evidence e back the defense ena omo prosecute Abu Trica no so di omo evidence ayeden aba ba endorsement evidence no afani nyina no omo kira endorsement enti no e was say omunya abotre no omu nyina go through sene ebe ya asem ne ba court for the main trials na enkoye say ase ye nim de ye kan ase we so ha na we afa ha we so ha na we afa ha enti they say no court no asa new date for another pre-trial say omonko file evidence ni nyina no omo lebu ni yie ni yenkeka ne mansia ni ansa na omo ba for another pre-trial ma yakọ the main trials so set November and a court ne share say omo sambra for another pre-trials enti Abu Trica kan sensem no eso etontwai so what I say etontwai but me ware shemu bi say ebia Abu Trica ebetumi ayeden enya ne ti adidim because ohwe ensem na eboboba na ena asem na nkasa kra ye 50-50 ebi obetumi anya ne ti adidim ebi nso a na akwa atia no so what I say but sisi ha de ye nya finding ni guilty ne de ye ntumi ngina hanum say enka say Abu Trica ye be jeli no ana say ye njeli no ana so obeba ana omba. So what I say, but the woman na be the abremo no enti no set November and no mesan call for another pre-trial e be drew ho na de na oma go through evidence ni nyina ehu say Abu edi for and I say odi bem. So what I say, but me hu ne say ne lawyers no new lawyers ya wa for no e bo adwuma pa because so o hwe indictment na edi kan ba bontin na omo che say Abu Trica account na omo de je say sika no omo de age sika over 60 times. So what I say omo level sa charges against him ni nyina no Abu Trica no already me di kan be make video bi say enyo no e na no omo hwehwe no So as I say, enkrofo bebree involved in the scheme omo hwehwe saa enkrofo ni nyina saa hurricane transport company na account ana no mo di giska no nyina omo yeden omo saa enkrofo ni nyina involved in this scheme say omo investigation evidence omo de aba nyina saa enkrofo we nyina yeden involved they also go through saa evidence ni nyina FBI for na yeden e de aba no. So what I say, ain't you know, enyama ebobo ba ne de bebre na edoso bebre, ain't you know, evidence no mo dey leveled against him ne de edoso bebre e na the defense and so dey the evidence bebre ai dey aba say Abu Trica enye guilty. So ain't so back and forth no ebe course between Abu Trica lawyers and FBI lawyers and so attorney. So what I say, and san asem no omu nyina ba into conclusion ama na be pie mu wo judge nanim na judge na yeden ama ne final verdict on asem no enti no se mote ya Abu Trica oda so wo US as isi amene o ka say wa call the first pre-trials pre-trials no call no ambaka ama sisi a wasa hye new date the best appear for another second pre-trial which is on the 6th of November 2026 enti yedi mu besi he ya de be pie akira ba bia no ye be san de abremo aha volume 5 TV. Peace out.